Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing that strange green tint on your monitor in Windows 11. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the deep settings, we need to rule out the two most common simple culprits, a loose cable or a stuck nightlight setting. First, reach behind your monitor and your PC case and firmly unplug and replug your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. A loose connection is the #1 cause of color tinting, so make sure it's secure. Next, let's check Windows settings. Click the Start button and open the Settings gear. Go to System and then click on Display. Look for the nightlight toggle. Even if it says it is off, I want you to toggle it on and then off again just to reset the color profile. Also, scroll down to Accessibility in the left sidebar, click Color Filters, and ensure the toggle there is completely turned off. If the physical connections are fine, the issue is likely a corrupted color profile. We can fix this using a hidden Windows tool. Click on your Start button search bar and type Calibrate Display Color. Click on the top result to open the tool. A window will pop up. Don't worry if it looks old school. Click Next repeatedly through the gamma and brightness screens until you reach the screen titled Adjust Color Balance. This is the magic step. You will see 3 sliders for red, green, and blue. If your screen is green, carefully slide the green slider to the left to reduce the tint until the gray bars look neutral gray. Once it looks right, keep clicking Next until you hit Finish. Uncheck the Start Clear Type Tuner box and click Finish to save your new color settings. Finally, if the tint persists, your graphics driver might be glitching. Let's refresh it. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. Expand the list that says Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers. If it says you are already updated, right-click the adapter again, select Uninstall Device, and then restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh, clean version of the driver when it boots back up, which often clears the green tint. And that's it. Your monitor should now be displaying crisp, correct colors with no green tint in sight. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.